right, boys and girls, more practice with commutative property. This helps us know that if we have two addends that are the same, the answer is also going to stay the same. So let's look at the first one, 4 plus 3. If you need to use your number line, use your number line, start on 4 and count up 3, or you can also think near doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6, so one more is 7. So we're going to write the answer there, and on the next side, we're going to switch the 4 and the 3, so we'll put the 3 first, plus 4, and then the answer stays the same at 7. Good. Nice job, boys and girls. 2 plus 7. So let's use your number line for this one. Put your pencil on 7. Take 2 hops up, and what do you land on? 9. Nice job. So if the 2 comes first and then the 7, if I'm switching it, I'm going to put the 7 and then the 2, and the answer still stays the same. It's 9. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, 5 plus 1. We know from rocket math, when we do the plus ones, it's just the next number, so we really don't need our number line. We just know the answer is 6. So if on this next part, if I have the 5 first and then the 1, I switch it and have the 1 and then the 5, and my answer stays the same. It's 6. Okay, 6 plus 3, we might need our number line for. So put your pencil on 6, hop up 3 spaces, and tell me what you land on. 9. Good job. So if I'm switching the addends, I had the 6 and then the 3, so I'm going to do 3 and then the 6, and now it's 9. And the last one, 5 plus 4. We can think near doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Or you can use your number line, but I already kind of told you the answer if you were listening. It's 9. So I'm going to switch the addends. I'm going to put a 4 and then a 5, and it equals 9. Good job, boys and girls. Excellent job getting your work done. Turn it over on the back, do your rocket math, and then raise your hand for me to check.